Anyways, I thought making a video about me talking about Neptunia Friends. Yeah, I got all four of the characters, guys, on each of the iPhones on Neptunia Friends. So, Neptune, Noir, Bert, and Blan. I basically use each and every one of them as my alarm clock. But yeah, that's my way of how I set them up for the fun. Yep, there's that. And then also put my belongings. Like, these are my important ones that I add all four of them. Of course, there's some other options I can add too as well. But I hardly use an umbrella or handkerchief. I mean, it's not really raining as much though. I mean, it does rain in Washington State, but I don't really necessarily need the umbrella. If it's like really urgent, then I'll pick that as an option, but not necessary. But yep, not only they can be used as an alarm clock, you can also interact each and every one of them. So we'll start with Neptune first. Oh.
How's your battery? If your battery runs out, you might miss your alarm.
And you know, you can also do like app purchases as well, in case you guys are wondering. Yeah, I did a little bit of app purchase on this iPhone 13. I think I spent like $8, I believe. Yeah, 8 to 9. So including tax, should be like 9 in total for everything.
Lord. Maybe I'll catch up on some work.
But yeah, so as you guys can see here, for example, for Noir, I shall go to gallery, and then here, you can see that I purchased this set right here. I can think about purchasing the other sets though, but unlikely. Maybe next time. I mean, I was like thinking about like purchasing all of them at once on this particular phone. Of course, if you do like something like suspicious, like this, it goes like that. Funny though. Or shake.
Hey!
And our shake to Bird. Kind of funny though, but yeah. It was like the first time knowing about it when I move around my phone like that, but I was like kind of expected for me. But okay then. And yeah, in case you guys are wondering, yeah, I've been a fan of Neptunia series for quite some time now.
Did you see that?
No, I guess like for Noir, when I bought all those like, I'll show you guys. When I bought all the Noir voice set, I guess it does appear too as well. Okay, cool. But yeah, kind of nice. Yeah, if I ever like think about purchasing, I better not remove the app. If I remove the app, maybe I might lose all those purchases, and there's like no way to get them back. So that's why I'm kind of like having second thoughts on making purchases, guys, for each and every one of them. I'd rather just make a purchase on like Neptunia games. And I got myself the PS3 Slim and then the PS4 Slim. I might think about like purchasing like some DLC when I play on the original Neptunia PS3 games. Since the PS3 PlayStation Store is still open, I might as well use that chance to purchase quite a bit of Higher Dimension Neptunia, PS3, Neptunia DLCs. But yeah, optional. But I think buying DLCs can be quite fun too, and I do like to support like them as well. But I don't want to spend like more than 100. No. I'll just go for the DLCs that are like worth. If you're just like buying like just for fan service, then you're basically supporting. I'm like basically half. I want to support like pay all of them at once, and the other half like just pay some that I really want to use the DLCs. I guess it depends though. But yeah, I do like to play on Neptunia Friends. Very nice. Because I put all my phones like on top of my pillow though. Took them out of the pillow I sleep on. in case you guys are wondering. Well, that'll be it for this video. So till then,
Did you see that?
thank you guys for watching. See you guys and peace out. So yep, got all 4 goddesses characters. Neptune, Noir, Bird, Blind. Alright, see you guys and peace out.